It's a really, really wet and gloomy day here, so I'm going to make some Christmas napkins. I haven't been able to find any napkins that I like, so I found this gorgeous tartan fabric and I'm going to show you how I make them into napkins. So I have cut out squares of the fabric and I've got my iron at the ready. I'm just going to iron these flat before I start sewing. I'm then going to just fold over the edge and iron that crease, and that will help when I'm stitching to have a nice flat edge. So I find it really useful having an iron at the ready when I'm sewing because I like nice straight edges, so I shall just iron all the way around the edge of this first napkin. So now I've ironed all the way around the edge of the napkin, folding in a little bit once. I've now folded it in for a second time, so I've got no nasty kind of raw edges showing. And this is the line I shall stitch. So again, you've got to be very careful of your fingers doing this. And I shall fold that from there. Round and do the next edge. And the next one, I just want to fold that in like that, give it a little bit of a fiddle. And the final edge along here. And then I shall repeat the process with the rest of these napkins and then stitch them all. So I've ironed around all the edges of my napkins and now I'm going to go and sit down on my sewing machine and show you how I stitch around them. So I've got my sewing machine out and the sun's come out too, which is brilliant. Got a lovely view onto the garden from here. So I've threaded my machine with red thread and I've got my napkins. Now one thing I'm just going to show you is I'm going to chop the corners off because it just means, just that little edge bit, when you go to do the corner, it means you get a neater crease line. So I shall just chop all the four corners off. Like that, down there. This one. And then you don't have them poking out if you haven't ironed exactly straight. Like that. We'll snip that one off too. There's a few loose threads. So we are now good to go. Should just that in, fold that edge in there. Actually, I could probably snip a little bit more of that one too. Make sure you've got it folded neatly. It's nice and straight before you put the machine foot down onto it. There we are, we're good to go. And I'm just going to stitch all the way around the edge of my napkin. Now, when it comes to the corner, I'm just making sure that I'm ready for it. In fact, that little bit could be snipped out too. There, that makes a much neater corner. I'm keeping my finger pressed down on that corner. I'm just going to lift the foot up to make sure it's nice and flat. There. And then on my corner, I'm going to leave the needle down, lift the foot up and turn the fabric, and then pop the foot back down. And then make sure that it's all straight and ready to go. And as you can see, I keep my thumb on it. Just remove that loose thread, just to hold it to make sure that the seam is nice and flat and ready for the machine. And then getting towards this corner, I'm just going to make sure that we are ready. So that's folded there, and that's neatly folded there. And then I'm going to keep my finger firmly on that part. Again, I'm going to lift the foot and just ease the fabric under. Leave my needle down, lift the foot, twizzle the fabric round and pop the needle back down. And again, holding my thumb on it to keep it nice and straight. Again, this corner. Twisting it round. I think that's our last edge. Some loose threads here, so I'm just going to snip them.